What's up, guys? It's me, Braden Cole, with Eat Sleep Game, and sorry for the video lag if there is any. It's acting a little weird today. I just wanted to update and let you guys know what the PC build I'm going to be doing is going to consist of. It's taken me a few days, but I finally decided exactly what I'm getting. I'm going to be getting a 250 gigabyte serial ATA Saturn Western Digital hard drive. I'm going to be getting a Gigabyte GA-78LMT-SP2 and AMD socket AM3FX 4110 3.3 gigahertz 6 core motherboard CPU combo with 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. I'm going to be getting a simple Sony DVD burner, and then I'm going to get let me explain the case first. A NXT M59 Gamer Mid Tower with a side window, and it's really cool looking. Also, I'm going to be getting some fans for that, and a NTX Century LX Dual touchscreen fan control, which goes on the front of the casing. And it's really cool. And then the graphics card I was thinking was a GeForce GTS 250 1GB PCIe, but I might go up to a GTX 550. I'm not 100% sure yet. Then a Voltec 800 watt power supply, and the grand total, including tax, is $696.59 with everything that I'm getting. So pretty excited, and I just wanted to update you guys with that. Yeah, if there's any lag, once again, I'm sorry. Peace out, guys.